Next will be the taking off of the battery. Get a flat bar. The adhesive on it is not that strong, so it's relatively simple. As you can see, it was very easy. Next, you're gonna need the Phillips screwdriver, and there is 4 screws on the side of the motherboard. Take each one of them off individually, as you can see. And the motherboard does have a plate with adhesive connected to it, so when you do take it off, do be careful. And with that note, with a note added is there is connections attached to the motherboard from behind. You'll see soon when I start lifting it up. Just try to pry it a little loose from the sides. Not too much, obviously, we don't want to damage it. And then you want to keep trying for the multiple sides, loosen it up a bit. As you can see, it's been opened, but you have to do it carefully. You see that cape was attached to it, just unclip it. And that's all there is to it.